Here we have a piece of limestone. On this side you can see it's got a bit of a sheen, and we use a product called LTP Glaze Protector to achieve this. Now LTP Glaze Protector can be used on porcelain, glazed ceramic tiles, any natural stone, and it gives it this lovely sheen that we've got. To show you how easy it is to apply, I'm going to do this side. So we just apply a small amount to the surface and then work it into the tile in the same direction. Now with this product you need to give it 45 minutes between each coat. You can apply up to 6 coats. Each coat afterwards must go in the opposite direction. So your second coat would go that way, and your third coat that way, and so on. Once it's dry and it's looking really good, you can use a product called Floor Shine to maintain it, and this used regularly will give you a hard wearing surface for many years to come.